Hi, what if lightning, lions, and ghosts were the signs of doom? In Act 1, Scene 3 of the Julius Caesar, it is not just a stormy night, it is a warning to Rome itself. What is happening in Rome? Rome is in chaos. A violent storm shakes the city, and Casca meets Cicero and describes the unnatural events. A lion roaming in the streets, a slave's hand on fire but not burning, men on fire walking in the streets, and an owl hooting in the daytime. Casca believes these are omens and Rome is heading towards disaster. Cassius enters, using the chaos to manipulate Casca. He compares Caesar to a thunderstorm, dangerous and powerful. He says, it is not the gods who send storms, it is the tyranny of Caesar. Cassius wants to pull Caesar down, and he begins to recruit Brutus into the conspiracy. Men at some times are masters of their fates. The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves. Cassius believes it is their duty to stop Caesar. This scene turns nature into a symbol of political unrest. The storm outside matches the storm brewing in Rome's heart. Want more clarity like this? Like and share and subscribe to Concept Clarity by Ajanta Man. Let's make Shakespeare super simple.